Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add your bus pass to Apple Wallet in the UK in 2026. So whether you are using a travel card or digital ticket, here is the correct and the updated way of doing it. So first of all, this only works if your bus service supports Apple Wallet. In the UK, there are apps like Stagecoach, First Bus and some TfL services support digital tickets, but not all of them allow the wallet integration. So you need to simply open your bus provider's application and purchase or open your ticket. Now when you go to the My Tickets section, you just have to look for whether the tickets support the digital integration. If it does, you are going to see Add to Apple Wallet button underneath your ticket. So when you see that option, simply tap on it and then you just have to tap on the option of add in order to add that ticket to your Apple Wallet. Now many UK bus apps still don't support the wallet directly. So in this case, you will need to use the app in order to show your QR code when boarding, or you need to use contactless payments like Apple Pay instead of a pass. For services like TfL buses and many UK cities, you can just tap your iPhone and Apple Watch using Apple Pay. You don't need to add a separate bus pass. Your payment card acts as your ticket. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.